I heard about that camp up north, saying love ain't bound by age, trying to dress up their sickness like it's freedom from a cage. But you can't paint over evil with some rainbow talking lies, 'cause when you're hunting children, boy, that's when diesel rise. I got 40 acres out back and a backhoe full of rage. I ain't got no pity for the wolves that stalk our base. You can cry about your feelings, but you crossed a holy line. If I catch one breathing near my kin, you'll be fertilizer time. They call themselves maps, but I call them sick, trying to twist up love with a devil's trick. It ain't no identity, it's a crime in disguise. You hurting little angels, you get judged by fire. I don't give a damn about your mental state. You touch a child and you seal your fate. Ain't no therapy, no parole. You just bought a one-way ride to a 6-foot hole. You say love is love. Hell no, not that kind. Love protects the innocent, not preys on their minds. You 6 sons of Satan don't belong on this earth. When diesel's done with you, you'll return to the dirt. I got 40 acres out back and a backhoe full of rage, a Bible in one hand and a shovel for the grave. You can cry about your feelings, but that won't change my mind. You prey on kids, you're going down. Diesel justice, southern style. This ain't about politics, this ain't about tolerance. It's about protecting our young. Touch a kid and you're done. Diesel out.